In my book, Evolve Love, I talk about a Gaia Love Revolution. This is a revolution of paradox. You see, in order to heal yourself, it's a paradox. Because yes, you have to heal by yourself, yet you cannot do it alone. Just like everyone needs a hand out of the womb and into the grave and someone to lean on along the way, you are inseparable from the web of life. And so to create a breathing vibration for this Gaia Love Revolution, an understanding of paradox, that we are both separate individuals yet inseparable from the bacteria inside of us, from the trees that give us oxygen, to the parents that gave us birth. And so to breathe into, to live into a Gaia Love Revolution, a love revolution for health and peace and well-being, I suggest we start like this. Simply exhale and bring your palms together, and for your individual health and well-being. Inhale and open to the life that supports you. Exhale, back to you. Inhale, welcome Gaia. Exhale, wish Gaia well. Inhale, open the heart. Exhale, pull the navel in, anchor and ground. Inhale, welcome life. Exhale, wish all of life well, including you. Inhale, yes. Exhale, thank you. Inhale, love. Gaia's love for you. Exhale, your love for Gaia. Inhale to the infinite, interbeing oneness. Exhale to that interbeing oneness, expressing, evolving itself as you and me and all of existence. Inhale, welcome Gaia. Exhale, wish Gaia well. The Gaia Love Revolution is a revolution of paradox that understands that you are separate yet inseparable. That everything is sacred. And our thought that it's either medicine or poison is an illusion. Everything is sacred in life. Everything is connected. And our health and well-being, our peace and happiness is all tied into a Gaia love, a love of life, a love of yourself, a love of the tribe of all life on earth. Namaste.